Hey folks, JD here, and today we've got this. This is a little indoor ghost racing drone made by Atoyx. Okay, let's open this up and have a look. Now, I've never heard of this company. I thought I would dive in and have a little look, because every time I've gone onto Amazon and every time I go to buy something, this always comes up in my suggested, and I always ignore it, and this time I thought, you know what the hell. I knew the bad weather was coming, so I stocked up on a couple of these indoor copters so that we could fly them when we have these 2 or 3 bad storms we've had, one after each other. And right, this is what we get. So the packaging, a lot of plastic. Essentially, what you get is this. Nice little looking quadcopter, very, very light. Comes in at about 22 grams. Nice red to the front of it here. Now, what I like about this is there's a little LED underneath here, and you can change the colour of the LED from the transmitter. Cycles through about 7 or 8 different colours, with this nice red on here as well. It gives a nice hue out of the top and out of the bottom as well. Now, this is quite nice. It's quite nice to have a see-through case to the top of it, some silver stripes to the front and back, and the Atoyx name in the middle. We have 2 screws either side here, so you can take the top off should you want to. To the front, we have 2 white LEDs, 2 white propellers, and to the back we have 2 black propellers there. These are standard quad propellers, in so much that, well, they're quad propellers, and they are a little ducted fan type affair there. Not a very large ducts on it, but enough to give it enough stability, or it should have enough stability from that. Now, nice little dome to the top as well, as you can see, so it should be able to cut through the indoor breeze quite well. On the underside, this is what we get. We have a nice little battery, and we have our battery connector, little socket, as well as 4 other plug and socket assembly for the motors, so you can replace them should you want to. Now, not only that, we have a little cage at the bottom for the battery to fit in. The battery itself, 3.7 volt, 220 milliamp hour battery. You get another one inside the pack here as well, so this is a 2 battery pack. That should give you about 5 to 7 minutes of flight after a 1 hour charge. Let's just pop that back in the bottom there. So all in all, I think that looks quite nice. No mod cons at all. Well, it's got a barometer, it's got a pressure sensor, so it has got altitude hold, but that's it. No camera, no mod cons, just relies on you being able to fly. That I quite like. Right, let's put that to one side. Now we get this little transmitter. Really sweet, nice shape. It is original in its look. We have standard left and right analog sticks. We have trims working our way around the outside here, and in the centre you have the on and off button. Now, to the top left we have speed and stunt. Single click takes you through speed 1, speed 2 and speed 3, and then if you click and hold, and then after you hear a beep you use the directional, you get 4 directional movements for 360 flips as well. The LED button at the top here, you push this is what cycles through the LED colours of the quadcopter. Let me see if I've got any battery in here. I'll show you exactly what I mean. So, and then again, I haven't got any battery inside here, have I? So it's not going to help me at all. But essentially, by clicking this button, it does cycle through the LED on the top of the quadcopter here. And then you have headless mode as well, should you want it. Right, on the back, we have a little battery bay. Takes 2 AAA batteries that just slide in here. One slides in and one sits in the back. This transmitter does not allow USB charging of any sort, so you have got to ensure the batteries in here are fully charged or shop bought. Now, this transmitter feels quite nice in hand. It feels quite rigid, feels quite sturdy. Plastic is quite thick. All in all, I think it's quite a nice little affair. You can get to all the buttons with ease, and honestly, I think that is very, very nice. It's got a nice little curve to it as well, so it kind of fits in your hand quite nicely as well. All in all, I hope that's going to be as good as it looks. In the accessory bag, we get 1 extra battery, 4 propellers, 2 white and 2 black for the front and the back, and we also get our USB charger there as well for the 2 batteries. Only 1 charger for 2 batteries, so you have got to charge these up for 2 hours before you take them out for your 2 flights. So that's that. And then, of course, you get your manual. So this takes you through every single part of the quadcopter, how to use the transmitter, how to fly, do's and don'ts, as well as a blown up schematic view of the quadcopter as well, and some basic troubleshooting steps should you run into any difficulties. Alright then folks, well I think that's everything. So tomorrow we're going to be taking this out and we're going to be flying her and seeing exactly how she does. This is going to be an indoor flight. The weather has been so atrocious here the past couple of weeks that it has quite literally just got to be an indoor flight, unfortunately for now. I am going to take it out when the weather breaks and see how it does outside. Alright then folks, thank you ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers, I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time my friends, happy flying.